I woke up to the same ceiling, the same four walls, and the same feeling of dread. The sun was shining, but it felt that my world was trapped in a constant state of grey. I was tired of being lazy and unproductive, tired of the monotony that had become my life. I knew I needed to change something, but the first step always seems the hardest. It all started in June, right at the beginning of summer vacation. With no classes and structured activity to fill my time, a deep sense of emptiness settled in. I felt disconnected from my passion and purpose. The frustration of not living up to my potential weighed on me, reminding me of all the things that I could be doing but wasn't. Every day, I felt trapped in the loop of disappointment and regret. I knew I was capable of more, but the gap between what I could do and what I was doing seems to grow wider. So my morning starts pretty late, 6 or 6:30 a.m., which is apparently early for a lot of people. So basically, I'm an early bird who sings a bit late. And the best part is that I have been pretty consistent with my waking hours. And the second best part is that I don't pressurize myself to wake up even early. Every morning, I roll out my yoga mat, ready to connect my body with mind. The gentle stretch and poses allow my body to release all the built-up stress and anxiety. With every moment, I feel a sense of calm washing over me. The chaos of the outside world fades and I find myself in a state of peaceful mindfulness. By the end of my practice, I feel regenerated and centered. Yoga became my daily ritual, a way to reset and find balance. The doorbell rang and I knew exactly what it was. My Amazon parcel had arrived. And with it, 2 books have been eagerly waiting for me. So the first book is The Silent Patient. A lot of people have recommended this and also this to me. So these both books are thriller. So I'm very excited to read this book. The Silent Patient had been on my reading list for ages. The mystery and the psychological twist promised to keep me on the edge of my seat, completely engrossed in the story. I could already imagine myself getting lost in its pages, unraveling the secrets and piecing together the puzzle. As I immersed myself in the books, I found myself inspired to pick up my sketchbook again. Drawing has always been a way to express my emotions and ideas that a book stirs within me. Each sketch felt like a small victory and boosting my creativity and lifting my moods. As I sketched, my mind and the hands working together in harmony, the lines and the shapes on the paper started to reflect my thoughts and feelings, giving me a sense of accomplishment. Sketching always tapped into the part of myself that I had neglected. I also started journaling my thoughts and feelings. Writing helped me to clear my mind and understand what was really bothering me. It was like talking to a friend who listened without judgment. The more I wrote, the more I felt in control of my emotions. My friend came over to my place and we both were going through some hard times. We needed something to lift our spirits, so we decided to do something that we loved the most. At first, it was just a fun activity to pass the time, but it quickly became so much more. As we started sketching, we found ourselves getting lost in the process. Each stroke of pencil felt like a step towards healing. It was therapeutic and calming. By the time we finished, we realized how much better we felt. Drawing together not only brought us closer, but also it filled us with hope, sensitivity, and optimism. What would you like to tell about your painting? What you have drawn? Drawing. It was a reminder that even in the hard times, there are simple joys that can inspire us and uplift us. Looking back, I saw how far I had come. The emptiness and the frustration had given away a sense of fulfillment and purpose. I had painted my life with colors of joy, creativity, and connection. I was no longer just existing, I was truly living, with a heart full of gratitude and the spirit glowing with newfound energy. I looked forward to each new day, ready to create a life I love.